Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Mangesh Trunakadasam. I welcome you all to this new session, a new topic. The new topic for today's discussion is what are the superfoods for male hormones? When I say male hormones, you know what I'm talking about, right? It's male sex hormones. Male sex hormones means it's androgen and testosterone, okay? So before we get into this topic, I want you to, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and do leave a comment if you like this topic, okay? Alright, let's get in there. Male sex hormones, hormones is basically a chemical. It's secreted from your gland and gets into the bloodstream and acts on your target organs to complete its function. That's the journey of a hormone. We have got a lot of common hormones in both male and female, right? The hormones are produced from your many parts in your body, like glands produce hormones. All the hormones are being controlled by your gland in your brain. In the hypothalamus, we have a hormone called different hormones that are secreted by a gland called pituitary gland. Okay, it's in the base of your brain. That hormone controls all the other hormones from your body. So when I say male sex hormones, androgen and testosterone, right? Androgen is the male sex hormone. It is responsible for a person becoming a sexually mature adult to reproduce. And this testosterone is the most important androgen male sex hormone to have a normal and healthy reproductive and sexual life and function. When I say reproductive and sexual life and sexual function, I'm talking about puberty, right? So this testosterone is very essential for physical changes that takes place at puberty in terms of enlargement of penis or facial hair and body hair and bone and muscle growth and everything, okay? So testosterone is produced from your testis. That is why it is called testosterone, right? So which cell produces the testosterone is Leydig cells in your testis that produces this testosterone, okay? And these testicles are guarded by your scrotal sac, okay? Because these testicles should be kept in an ideal temperature to produce testosterone, and thereby it increases your sperm count. See, there are certain things that are very, very essential when it comes to sperm. Sperm volume is very important. And each and every sperm health is important. And motility is important, because motility is very important. If the sperm's motility is not good, if it's so lazy, if it's not active, it's no good, right? And virility is important, okay? So volume, health of each and every sperm, motility and virility. So all four things are very, very important. And we have this testosterone, natural testosterone, does all this job. And how are we going to improve it? How are we going to promote the further secretion of testosterone? Thereby it improves your sexual life and the sexual production and other things, right? We've got some superfoods here. Number one on the list is what we have on the list: dark chocolate. This dark chocolate, many women love dark chocolate, they keep eating dark chocolate every day. Many women love that. And this dark chocolate contains L-arginine. L-arginine is considered to be one of the most important factors to promote nucleic acid synthesis, and this is sperm motility and virility. So consider eating dark chocolate before you hit the bed at night. Instead of going for a nice dessert, have some dark chocolate, okay? So that will help your motility of your sperm. And what we have on the list next is eggs. Eggs is one of the complete foods what we have, right? Eggs contain almost everything in a minimal amount. It contains some vitamins, minerals, and trace elements. In trace elements, zinc is considered as one of the most important trace elements for sexual and reproductive function and sexual reproductive health. Third is the berries. When it comes to berries, each and every berry is important. And among those berries, goji berries is considered to be one of the most important berries for increasing your sperm volume, and it is also rich in antioxidants. When any fruits or when any dry fruits or seeds are rich in antioxidants, you can consider these antioxidants is going to be fighting against these free radicals. Free radicals are very bad. Okay, they are going to kill your own cells. So these antioxidants kill these free radical scavengers and protect your sperms. Okay, so go remember these goji berries in your mind. And fourth is the most common one is bananas. Bananas contain a vitamin B, magnesium, and an enzyme called bromelain. When it comes to trace elements, zinc, magnesium, and selenium are all very essential for sperm production and motility. Okay, you also need to have a good volume and healthy sperms and motility and virility. If one has got enough volume and not healthy barriers or not motile barriers, it's equal to almost nothing, right? So that's why I'm saying, so focus on these fruits. Okay, and number 5, what we have is garlic. Garlic is not a fruit, but just have to mention it here. Garlic is many people use garlic for lowering blood cholesterol and thereby reduces cholesterol. Garlic contains allicin and selenium. As I mentioned before, this allicin is one of the antioxidants, and it fights against these free radical scavengers and promotes the temperature that is required for the testicles to produce testosterone, so that it indirectly promotes the development of sperm and the volume of sperm as well. Okay, and we have is spinach. Anything appears green is very, very healthy. Spinach is rich in folic acid, and again in turn folic acid is very, very essential for this nucleic acid metabolism, DNA and RNA. This folic acid, you need this folic acid for cell development and cell maturation, and that's where it comes for us sperm maturation. Okay, when the sperm is mature, it can go out and actually do its job. Okay, on the list what we have is asparagus. Many people don't eat asparagus, but asparagus is a plant. It's packed with vitamin C. Vitamin C is very essential for in this process sperm production volume and motility and virility and maintaining ideal temperature around the scrotal sac. And of course we have is walnuts. Walnut is rich in omega-3. So any good fats are good for testosterone secretion, okay, and in turn your sperm function. And we have oysters. Many Indian people don't eat oysters, but in people in Western countries they do like oyster. And oysters is a damn good source of glycogen and taurine, and it has also got zinc and selenium as well. As I said before, antioxidants do this miracle, fight against this free radical scavengers and improve the motility, volume of sperm and virility as well. Okay, and we have next is ashwagandha. This ancient, the great aphrodisiac. They have been using this in cooking process since ages, this ashwagandha. And what they claim is that this improves sperm motility. If this is given to someone who has got a low sex drive and libido, who have a low sex drive, this ashwagandha improves their sex drive and indirectly improves the sperm quality and motility as well. And next we have is pomegranate. Pomegranates again it increases your sex drive. It can be taken as juice, or you can eat raw fruits. It's all good. Pomegranate, this has got antioxidant properties. Antioxidants, when the sperms are produced, when the sperms are out in these, when the sperms are produced out, when they go and try to reach the egg, it needs a penetration, right? So for that, we need that virility is very important. Pomegranate improves the virility of sperms. Okay, and that's why pomegranate is very very important in sexual life. And pumpkin seeds, of course, it is rich in antioxidants, phytosterols, and amino acids, and boost your sperm health and virility, and it helps each sperm to penetrate the layer of egg to get in there. We have millions of sperms attack one egg, and finally one sperm succeeds to get in there. Okay, and this pumpkin seeds are really really helpful in this process. And what we have on the list next is carrots. Carrots are filled with beta carotenes and antioxidants, and helps in this process of helping more sperm volume, health of each and every sperm, and motility. Okay, I have given you some information on this topic, I guess, guys. I'll see you in my next video with more information. Okay, and it's bye bye, Dr. Mahesh. I'll see you in my next video. Alright then, guys, take care, guys. Stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.